In this video, friends, I will show with you how to edit your project on Behance. So friends, log in your account. The first step, after login, you will see this project from here. Look for this option, edit project, click this one, and then friends, you can start editing your project from here. So guys, you can add the text from here, your project, for example, how to see anything, for example, how to upload a design. You can add this one, and you can also add integration from here. You can post embed codes from here, such as Giphy and SoundCloud or YouTube or something like this. You can upload image from this section, and then guys, you can also, you have a Lightroom and you have video audio. You can upload your video audio. For example, I want to upload this one, this image, for example. And you can add also this text. You can increase the size of font, and you can change the color, as you can see here guys. And you have style from here. You have change your background color. For example, I want to choose this red background, and then you can integrate it, and you can photo grid, also add this photo grid from here. You can upload from Lightroom or image, and then you can update this project from this section. Just click updated, and your project will be updated successfully. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video for more content.